So today we have come to this place, Hotel Imagica, जो आपको मेरे पीछे दिख रहा होगा. It is a place in Khopoli and इसके एकदम पास में Adlabs Imagica है, जो आपने सुना होगा Imagica या करके बहुत बार म्यूजिक. So it's a very nice place. We have come here for staycation. पहले हमने सोचा कि हम बाहर जाएंगे कहीं पे, लेकिन फिर बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड वी थॉट कि सब जगह बहुत क्राउड होने वाला है, होली का टाइम है. सो एनीवेज आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टेक रेस्ट, सो वी हैव कम हियर and tariff is something around 6.5, but this is because of holy season. You can check, it comes down to even 3K sometimes. And so come on, let me show you inside.
Your name?
Prerna. So yeah, tea and coffee arrangement like any other nice room in any hotel. And a big television, although I'm not a big fan of watching television when I'm on vacation. And of course, I forgot to show you this small cupboard. The best part is it comes with the iron and the iron board. So like if somebody has come for meeting and stuff, it's great. And this is the best part of this room. Let me show you. Come. So we got this room overlooking Adlab Imagica. It's a adventure park, and you know the best part was that there were so many people on the rides, and when they were like shouting and all because of the ride, it was so funny, and I really enjoyed that. Chalo, we are so hungry now. It's time to go and grab some lunch, and then I'll show you what other facilities and amenities this hotel has. Okay, after this fulfilling lunch, I decided to take a stroll around and find out what other places are there to enjoy. So very first thing when you come into a lobby, they have this store like for kids. They can play here, they can purchase items and all those stuff. And as you move ahead, you have a gym as well. Like if you are on staycation like me, you can come in the morning and have your jogging and all those stuff a bit. And as you move ahead, there's a swimming pool which was not working, like because of COVID it was closed, so I could just see and enjoy it. Although I have enjoyed more if it was open, but anyways, I understand the COVID situation. And yeah, that's our room there. It's a very nice property, especially for family. Like if you're coming with a family, this is a kids friendly hotel, so there are no cigarettes and all are allowed here. People are having drinks, that's perfectly fine because they themselves have a bar area. Sorry?
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel's name?
My channel's name is Curious Prerna. Prerna is my name. So yeah, after that I came back to my room, and the main agenda of coming here is to just change my work location and have a different perspective towards all what I'm doing. So अभी मेरा थोड़ा बहुत काम करके हो गया है, and it's such a nice change to. I've always heard कि अपना जगह चेंज करने से your productivity increases. You won't believe. I've been trying to start editing in a new software and I was just stuck. Like I was not even able to understand the basics. And the moment I arrived here and switched on my laptop, something happened. Like it seems so easy suddenly. So yeah, it's a nice change. And अभी हमारा अराउंड 7 बज रहे हैं, तो वील गो डाउन एंड टेक अ स्ट्रोल, लेट्स सी द प्लेस नीचे से, एंड देन वील हैव अ डिनर एंड वील कम बैक. So we went for dinner directly. They have both a la carte and buffet there. Buffet was something around 14.99 per person. So Pranav went for buffet. I was not feeling that well, so I decided to have just Burmese cow's soup. And it was delicious, of course. And then it was like we were very tired, so we decided to call it night. Yeah, of course, that day was a Earth Day, so they celebrated Earth Day, and for 1 hour lights and everything was switched off. Okay, it's time to hit bed now, and they have something exciting for breakfast tomorrow, which I'll show you in next vlog. So stay tuned till then. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to my channel. It motivates me and it's free.